in and crochet 2 more pieces, one in the middle. I keep it attached to my latch hook, just swooping it around in one motion, and then one at the top. I don't go too far up to the top. And here I will crochet a piece on to the top and pull that through. And here's the first braid completed. As you see here, I have one piece at the top, one in the middle, and then one at the end. Okay, so the first braid, like I said, I braided on a piece of hair to the end of mine. Now, if you cannot braid, see here, I would just go in close to the bottom, not all the way at the end, but like maybe an inch up. I will crochet my last piece on. You won't even be able to notice that little piece. The only time it may become an issue is if you decide to put your hair up into a ponytail and you may have something like that sticking out. So you want to pay attention and make sure you tuck that into your ponytail if you're not able to braid a piece onto your ends. All these braids, this only took me like 20 minutes to do these. Okay, you guys, so I have finished all of my braids. Now hear me out. I used let me show you. Baby, I used every last strand that I had. This side, all the braids in the front at the top, I used 3 pieces of hair, and all of this hair in the back, I used 2 pieces. But then when I got over to this side, I noticed that I was starting to run out of hair. So some of the ones in the back have 2 pieces. Baby, some have 1 piece. Next time I'll do better with counting out my parts from the start so that I can kind of regulate and know how much hair I have to use.